my God.
Have a look, what do you think?
Wow.
Come on in, guys, come in, welcome.
The point of taking the students into the radio studio is really to give people an opportunity to have that hands-on experience.
What does this button do?
They're quite magical sorts of spaces, and it's really exciting to bring people into that space for the first time.
It looks really scary. It's actually not. What is it that you notice first when you come into the radio studio?
The buttons.
Lots of buttons.
It's very orange.
It's very orange, isn't it?
What we're saying in there, it's got like, the lines go up yellow.
Exactly right.
But if it goes really up high, it means we're talking very loud.
It can do, yeah.
can.
So, yes. Remember that radio studios are all about sound. So it's another way that we're trying to visualise those sound waves. What we're going to do is I've got some scripts for you to choose from.
We gave them the choice of some scripted material that we'd prepared earlier, and we also let them just play. We wanted to see what they would come up with in the moment and for them to be inspired by the space.
Perhaps we might like to do some vocal warm-ups.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Excellent. All right, let's get stuck into recording some voices. Should we do that? Which piece are you doing, Anastasia?
I'm doing the 15-second.
You're doing the 15-second. Take a breath and we're all good.
I'm nervous, excited, because I want to become a voice actor.
So Anastasia,
Yeah?
whenever you're ready.
Oh, okay. It's probably going to be fast. Probably a little bit like an M&M kind of rap.
You can do a second take if you want to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good point. Good point there. All right.
Okay?
All right. Let's go on an adventure. We're determined to find a secret realm where every moment is like painting a picture of our destiny.
Very nice. Did you want to have another take?
I think I'm sort of satisfied.
Satisfied with your first take?
Yes.
Beautiful, okay. So what's confronting about going into a radio studio and hearing your voice for the first time is how different your voice sounds when you hear it from the outside versus the sound you're familiar with, which is from the inside out.
Given that we've got a couple of people who love doing voices, I just thought it might be really nice to have a go to do them in the studio.
Voice acting.
Who would like a go of doing their voices?
Me.
One here, and then one there.
Me. I was so excited! Chocolate bark! I feel like it's just a different experience for me. And the thing that I love.
Okay, take it away.
How did you know about that? That's not how it happened. Until I used my cunning fox brain to give me a real way to fight back.
That was amazing. Wow.
Some serious talent in the room.
I loved it. I loved every single bit of it.
I'm gonna blow your mind. Hey,
Oh my goodness, no! Like everybody gave it their all. I loved how everybody gotten creative.
Evie, do you want to step up?
Oh my God.
Go on, you'll be amazing.
Okay.
I reserve the right to judge a movie based on whether it was made. Thank you very much.
It's very therapeutic for me because I do struggle with like interacting with people. So like cartoon characters are like beings that I relate to a lot, and if I'm ever like really stressed and I just need to like just not be me, I can just put on Timon's voice and then become Timon and like have none of those worries like clouding me.
You deserve a reward for putting up with me. True, you can be really difficult sometimes.
I am loving being in the studio at the moment, and the delight and the openness. There's just this real sense of generosity and this unbridled sharing. If somebody wants to say something or do something, they do it. Guys, how did you find your first experience in a radio studio? Amazing. Thank you so much. I think, are we heading off for lunch?
Yes.
Lunchtime, amazing.